The popularity of maca root exploded in the past years. It is originated in Peru and you can buy it in powder form mostly in your health stores, but you can also find it in supplement and in liquid form as well. It has a really unique earthy taste and it can be added to your smoothies or any other type of meals as a condiment. Hello guys, I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel here. And we also have social media, so let's be friends on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Facebook and on Pinterest. My username is Bites Fitness, and of course, like usual, you can find all the links in the description below as well. So let's jump in and see all the health benefits that maca root powder can offer. The health benefits of maca root powder are undeniable, and it has been used for medicinal properties for centuries. First of all, maca root has been used to increase libido and sex drive and also increase fertility. Low sex drive can be a common problem among women and men, and maca powder can be a great natural solution for that. It can also increase fertility, especially for men. Another benefit of maca root powder is that it can improve your mood. Studies suggest that it can actually decrease and reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression, and it can improve your mood significantly. Maca can be a great addition to your energy and protein smoothie as well, since it is known to increase energy and sports performance. It is a popular supplement among athletes and bodybuilders, so it can be a great solution for you as well. Maca is believed to reduce the menopausal symptoms for women because it can help balance out the levels of the hormone estrogen. The imbalance of estrogen can cause a lot of symptoms for women who are going through menopause, such as night sweats and hot flashes. And if applied to the skin, maca might help reduce the damage that is caused by the sun and UV rays. We know how much the sun damages our skin, so we really need sun protection. And maca might help with sunburn as well. So let's talk about the downsides a little bit, because a lot of benefits of maca root powder is that it interferes with hormones. So if you have thyroid problems or hormone imbalances, you might want to skip on this one. But other than that, if you are healthy, you should definitely benefit from maca root powder. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also please leave me a comment below whether you use maca root powder or you use it as a supplement, and whether you have experienced any benefits. I would love to know. So until the next one, bye guys! If you like this video, please check out the recommended videos next to me, because you might find something related that you enjoy. And also please check out the Bites Fitness YouTube channel and subscribe, because you might find a lot of content related to nutrition, recipes and other health information.